Greetings! Today we're diving into one of the most fun and classic sounding chord progressions ever, the Doo Wop progression. It's the 1-6-4-5, and harmony's playing it in the key of D major. We call it Doo Wop because it sounds kind of old school and really catchy, like something you'd sing with your friends at a 1950s diner. Let's start with the 1 chord, which is D major. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Strum from the A string down. Nice and clean. Try it a few times until it rings clear. Next up is the 6th chord. That's B minor. Bar your index finger on the 2nd fret from the A string down. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Strum from the A string down. Now this one's a little bit tougher, but don't worry, even harmony's still working on building finger strength too. Keep at it. Now for the 4 chord, which is G major, a big full chord. Middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. Index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Strum all of the strings. Let this one ring out, because it fills up the sound. Here's the last chord progression, the 5 chord, A major. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Strum from the A string down. Now let's put it all together and play the full Doo Wop progression. So the 1-6-4-5 is going to be D, B minor, G, and then A. Now remember, this is in D major. Take it slow and steady. You can try strumming once per chord, or even loop it for practice. That's the Doo Wop in D major. Keep practicing, keep strumming, and don't give up. Every chord gets easier with time. If you've made a song with this progression, tell us about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Strum-believable Beginners.